Welcome to Taaisha's restaurant. Shivi, what do you want to order? Look at the menu. Okay. Give it to Taaisha.
What else? Anything else?
And you want some fries and ice cream too? Yes? Okay. So place the order and give her the money for it. You want to choose? What do you want to choose? Juice also. Okay. Okay, so you have your fries, your juice, your ketchup, and the other things that you ordered. Shivi, why don't you sit and eat your food? Come, let's have a look at the kitchen inside.
Which flavor?
Okay. So Shivom is going to sit and enjoy his food, and Taaisha can wait till other customers come. So say bye, guys.
Bye.